Hey, welcome. I'm Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 9 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, I want to walk you through how to create a page like this one using the information that you have gained until now. So my setup is on the left is my code, and on the right is the output of that code. So I started with opening and closing HTML tags. Then I added head and the body. Then inside the head, I added a title and I called it Safe Safari Tour. Then inside the body, I started with heading level 1. Then below that one, I have an image, and you can see the width is 500. Then below that, I added level 2 heading, and that is Explore the Beauty of Africa, and then followed by a paragraph. Then below that, I have a level 2 heading for our services, and then a paragraph that talks about the service. Then I added level 2 heading, Find Your Perfect Stay, and then below that, I followed with an image, and you can see the width is 200. And then I followed it with a paragraph. Below that, I added another level 2 heading for our accommodation services include. I followed it with a list, and we have learned about types of lists. Okay, moving on, I added another level 2 heading for contact us, then followed by a paragraph. Below that, I added 3 images with a width of 24 as icon that you can see here. So I found this icon at Icon Finder, and here is their page. As you can see, this is one way to put together the skills you have learned so far. Thanks for watching, and get time to code. I'll see you in the next one.